Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back. My family and I went on a trip during spring break, and if you watched my last video that I just posted, my AliExpress haul, I kind of explained some things as to why I wasn't back, so make sure you check that one out. And I just want to say that I missed you guys so much, and I'm so glad to be back and posting videos. And don't forget to check out my birthday challenge giveaway video that I posted a couple of weeks ago that ends April 12th, and I'm going to show you some things that I got from Tuesday Morning. So the first thing that I got is these really pretty beads. This was $1.99, which I was thinking that these were going to be a little bit more expensive. I think these are really pretty. They're like iridescent, or they have like an iridescent vibe to them, but they're like pinkish, which I think will go with a lot of the things that I'm thinking of doing in spring, and I just thought those were really beautiful. And I found these Maggie Holmes tassels, which they're super cute, and I've been wanting to do a bunch of like dangly things, so that this will just go perfect with the things that I have in mind. I've been eyeballing these Crafters Essentials embossing stylus, this kit for a while now, and it comes with 5 of these styluses, and then I'll show you like the ends on them. So there's this bigger one, a smaller one, and then this little itty bitty one. And then on the other end, it has this one, and then this one with the lid on it is supposed to be a paper piercer. And then on the back it says that it has 5 sizes of spherical tips and piercer for fine lines, freehand embossing, and intricate patterns. So then you could use the piercer to, you know, poke out some of the holes from die cutting if you don't have one of those rolly tools. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. I just don't know what it's called. Like from Spellbinders or the Sizzix that get the paper pieces out of the dies. You could use this to poke out the little pieces that don't come out of your dies. So I was really excited to pick this up for $7. And then I showed this in my last haul, but I love this so much that I picked up another one. And these are frames. These are from the Good Vibes collection. And then I did get 3 stamp sets. And I've said this before, I'm not really a stamper because I don't do coloring and things, but I like to pick up stamps that I can do heat embossing on. So I like to write, like to have things that I can have like sentiments on. So I got this like cursive alphabet that I thought was really pretty, that I could line up things and make, you know, sentiment type things. So I thought that was cool. And look at the price, $2.19. I mean, I know that AliExpress has been coming out with some things like this, but I wanted it now, and I thought it was pretty. And for what a great price. And I couldn't resist this. And it was $2.99. I was thinking that this was going to be more. So I thought this was pretty. And this was just calling my name. I love the eyelashes. I love the little lady right here, and I just love everything about this. And the bobby pin, ooh la la. I just love the whole thing. And this was $2.99 also. So I thought that was a good deal. And then the next 4 things I have are ephemera sets. So what I'm going to do is show you the package of ephemera that I have. I'll show you the backs, and then I'm going to go through each set. So if you don't want to stick around for that, I'll show you like the package of the back, and then you can just skip the rest of it if you want. So let me show you. I got this one. These are all from My Mind's Eye. I got this one called Penelope. This is what the front looks like. I took all of them out. So here's the back of it, and I'll just hold it here for a second so you can look at what's in here. And like I said, I will go through each and every one of these, but for those of you that do not want to stick around to watch that, I'm just going to show you what's in the package. And then I got this Echo Park one that is Easter, and I believe this matches my paper pad, but I'm not sure. This is a lot of words and sentiment things in this one. Tell me if you guys like it better that I'm doing this, or if you would rather me go through each one individually. Then this one is from My Mind's Eye, and it's called Palm Beach. This one's kind of hard to tell what's in there because it's kind of like all piled on top of each other. There is a ton of gold foiling on this one. And then I have one more. This one is In Bloom from My Mind's Eye. So let's go over the Penelope one first. So they have these little itty bitty pieces. Like this. And then they have these bigger pieces, which is like a swan, frog, and then they have three girls. They have the white girl, and then they have like this darker girl, and then a medium colored girl. So they have a variety of different skin tones here. Then they have some words. Magic, believe, princess, smile. I almost thought that said slime, and sparkle. Just different like hearts and stars, flowers. I really like this mirror. I think this is cute. Princess crown. Bird, tiara, castle, wand. Then these are like banners. You could stamp on that. And that one. This one says enchanted, lovely. Stamp on this one. This is like I don't know what you call that. And this is like a flag. And some frames. And like a little carriage thing. And I do have 3 daughters, so this is why I bought this one. And then next is the Easter one. Easter blessings, Easter, happy Easter, you're such a funny bunny. And then these are little flower things. The next one is this Palm Beach. So we've got several different palm leaves. And different words. We have tropical, tropical vacation. And we have some tags. And we have this little scene. Watermelon, sunglasses, and then this yummy looking drink. And we have a bunch of different pineapples. A big heart. And a bunch of palm trees that are gold, various sizes. And then these different flag tags. And then a bunch of different flamingos in different sizes. We have ones that go this way, and then we have ones that go the other way. And then some flowers. And then the last one is the In Bloom. And then we have like some tabs for the pages. And then some tags. And then some like flag tags. And then one ticket, just a random ticket. And then like these things you could write on, like tags, I guess. They're all different colors, and then they have like flag things at the bottom. And then these little tiny like banners like this. Some of them are blank. Some of them say things on there. And we have some flowers. And then these little hearts. And then these little sayings and pictures. And then these big flowers. Today, and these are just blank. And that is it for my haul. I hope you guys check out my birthday challenge giveaway ending April 12th. And I hope to see you guys all in my next video. I have missed you guys so much, so I will see you guys later. Bye.